This is what you call British weather. Or raining. Yeah, not much rain. It flooded the field up. And it's complete. Flooded the footpath. And it's all down here. It's flooded up here. And I know I'll walk through this 3 times. If I walk through the things I got, I could probably walk 40 through it. So I'm just looking at the high bit of ground. And this is why I always tell people to come, when they come down this path when it's raining, careful, and that bit. Footpath. So if they flooded there, it's flooding like that. So there, the council needs to come down and make it a good rent. You can see once before where it flooded. It's down up there. That's down there, you're a bit high.